Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today, very quick video on how to change your export location in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have my video here. Once your video is finished, head up into File, go on all the way down to Export. Of course, export media, like how you would normally export, and location. Okay, you see this link here? Press it and it's going to open up your files as normal. And then just choose where you want it to go. Okay, so at the moment mine are going into finished video. Okay, but if I want to change recording for videos, just double press it, save, and it's all saved. Okay, I'm going to quickly put it back, but again opens up as normal. Select the folder and just press save, and then once you export it, it will be in that file. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.